I special pass. Okay. You ain't my grandma. You ain't my. Still, you ain't my grandma. I'm a fucking eat demon man. Like what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm like, come on, man. What the fuck, man? Okay. Lollipops. And why is there lava in a grandma's house? Okay, whatever. I won't ask. If I really want to. Because this makes no fucking sense. Are we? Oh shit, boy! Yes, I know. Look how I've grown. Because I have grown a lot. Because this is not actually Bendy's normal size. Cookie. I love cookies. Why is there bites taken out of the cookies? It's weird. I know. Yep, it's always the cat picture. The cat picture is key. What? 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 How is the wood bigger than me? This makes no sense. And how are those poking out the wall? Okay, this is definitely the way out. Different picture. Yes, well, my mind, look how I've grown. Oh wait, she didn't say it. Okay. That's nice to know. Oh wee! Okay, no, I'm dead. Nice. The first time I've died here. Why am I jumping over yarn? What the? Why am I dodging yarn? What the fuck is happening? Well, I guess I get the chair now. Yeah, now I'm gonna use my teleporter powers. What is Grandma hiding? Dude, she's not my grandma. And yes, what is she hiding? Because those are filled with nice blood. Okay, I'm just gonna jump. Whee! Grandma is burning her possessions. So she's burning her teeth. Okay, so now, alright, this makes no sense. Why would you burn cookies? They're like the best thing in the world. Splatoon? What, fucking playing Splatoon now? That's nice to know, I guess. Grandma's gone mad. She's turning children into food. Yes, she has. Where's it there? Okay. Whatever. I am terrified. What fucking face is that? Come on, man. That looks like a bag. What? I am okay. Oh, okay, I don't have to worry about this. You have to dodge the cookies and the spoon and the. Oh no. Yeet. Is this like cookie batter? Or cookie dough? Is it one of those? Is it one of these where you have to do this? Okay, no, it's not. What the fuck? Right, so then it means the last one. Ah! I figured out how to do. You think, huh? You freaking think. You think. She's like a dinosaur now. Like, I am magic. So you spilled. What? What the? Okay. How'd you eat me? Okay. Sure. Oh, okay. Grandma is eating it. So let's find a way out. Let us. You're just gonna fucking stay there, you bitch. Fucking bitch. My face. Look at that. Wait, how'd you digest a human this big? I mean, come on. Well, then again, you ate me, so should not be too surprised. Okay, that was the fucking wrong one. Alright, I'll just use magic powers to do this. Made it.
Anyway, that was she wouldn't have been no. Yeah, she was. Anyway, that's no question. Would you take a bite of that burger for?
Come on.
Okay, yes.
How'd you put lasers in your stomach? I wanna do that. No, I don't. That wouldn't really feel good. And apparently you can climb ribs. Am I not tickling you? That was a mistake. You did not see that.
And I would have changed the way my channel.
Oh. Well, that was it. Well, okay. I guess I'll try on my new intro. I mean outro. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see ya later. Bye bye.